Good morning, students. We completed uh, what is the need for directors and what are the types of directors and what is the rules and regulations for appointment of woman director in a company. Today we will see the n- new issue uh, inserted in the Companies Act 2013 and new amendment made in Companies Act 2013. Earlier, this director identification number is not there in Companies Act. According to Companies Act 2013, a person who is willing to appoint as a director in any company, he has to have director identification number. Simply we can speak it as DIN. For this director identification number, section section 153 to section 159, section 153 to 159 introduced in Companies Act 2013. According to these sections, all the existing and intending person directors have to obtain director identification number, that is DIN, within the prescribed time frame as notified. According to the Companies Act 2013, the rules issued in 2014 as per Rule 9 of the Companies Appointment and Qualification of Directors Rules 2014, every individual who is an existing director, is he existing or intends to be appointed as directors? One who is already working as rendering his services as director in any company, or one person intends to be appointed as a director of a company, is required to apply for director identification number. How can we apply for director identification number? Director identification number, we have to apply electronically in form DIR3. DIR3 to the central government for allotment of a director identification number. This application is to be made electronically, and a provisional DIN issued by Government of India, that is valid for a period of 60 days, that is for 2 months. No one director is appointed without director identification number. Director identification number DIN is not required for foreign companies having the branches in India, but director identification number is required for by foreign directors of Indian companies. Who are the foreigners rendering their services to any Indian company? They have to obtain director identification number, but in case of foreign company having its branch in India, there is no need for director identification number. Director identification number is necessary for some type of directors or all the directors. Every director, including nominee directors and government appointed directors, also have to obtain director identification number. Without director identification number, no one person is appointed as is to be appointed as director for any company. If those directors are required to sign e-forms, some directors have the responsibility to sign on e-forms, then those directors have to obtain digital signature certificate, that is called DSC. DSC is not required for all the directors, whereas who are willing to required to sign in on e-forms, then they have to obtain DSC, Director Signature Digital Signature Certificate. Digital Signature Certificate, Director has to obtain Digital Signature Certificate also. Any person desires to becoming director of a private or public company has to apply for the allotment of permanent DIN number to the central government as per the form DIN1. DIN1. So this is the director identification number. What are the features of director identification number? What are the features of director identification number? We see what are the features. What are the features? First one feature of digital identification number, director identification number, that is, every person or individual desires of being appointed as the director of a company, how to apply for the DIN should have the DIN obtained beforehand. Yes, the application for the allotment of director identification number is to be duly supported with the proof of residence and identity proof of the applicant, duly attested photocopies of any of the following: PAN card, driving license, passport, voter ID card, ration card, electricity bill, and bank statement. The application should be supported by the residence proof and identity proof of the applicant. For identity proof, PAN card or driving license or passport, voter ID card, ration card, electricity bill, bank pass statement may be used for the apply of direct identification number supporting use as supporting documents. Is essential for e-filing of forms. Direct identification number is also essential for e-filing of forms. PAN or other documents never be used as an alternative to the direct identification number. Only one director identification number is needed to be appointed as a director of a company. Coming to what is the we observed in the previous class, how many directors, maximum number of directors, minimum number of directors for a company, uh, for private company, public limited company, one person company, we observed and we discussed and we understood. Coming here, what I would like to say, that is number of directorship of a person. A person can act at the most how many companies as a director. So here, the Companies Act 2013, according to section 165, according to section 165, maximum number of directorships including alternate directorship is 20. Coming to public limited company, maximum number of directors which a person can be appointed as director is only 10. For public companies, if that particular public company, any private company or any public company subsidiary to that public company is considered as public company. Private company may be subsidiary to the public company, then it will be treated as public company. For the director number of maximum number of directorships of a single person to act for companies. This is also included in Companies Act 2013. This condition, if the maximum number of directors is more than the condition according to section 165, then those directors has to resign uh, within 1 year from the commencement of the act. Choose companies in which he wishes to continue to hold the office of a director shall resign in other remaining companies. Intimate the choice of each company and registrar. Then this is known as what we call director identification number, features of director identification number, and maximum number of directorships according to section 2, according to Companies Act 2013 section 165. The one person will be act as director for uh, only to the extent of 10 companies. No, he is not eligible to act as more than 10 companies, and for other companies 20. This is mm, regarding director identification number. Today we understood that director identification number is necessary for a person who is willing to appoint as a director or act as a director to work, render their services as a director to any company. He has to have director identification number. For that he has to apply electronically to the central government. Central government will issue the director identification number. The for application of director identification number, it should be supported by residence and identity of the person. For that, PAN card, bank statement, or electricity bill, or electricity bill may be used, and foreigners not required uh, direct identification number. But uh, uh, foreigners act as directors in Indian companies, then they have to obtain director identification number. Digital signature certificate is not required for all the directors who is uh, willing to sign or required to sign on e-forms. Then he has to take digital signature certificate. This condition is introduced in Companies 2013 Act 2013. This is not in previous acts. Thank you.